How to add contacts on WhatsApp web. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application, and first of all, head over to your Chrome web store. As you do so, search for the extension called InTouch app. So this is the extension that you should add to your browser. Go ahead and click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Now also pin this onto your page for easy access. Now let's go ahead and open up our WhatsApp, and once you have installed the extension, refresh your WhatsApp. You will see a plus icon just beside your profile. In order to add a contact, simply click on the plus icon and click on Add New Contact. And just like so, add your name, how do you know them, and go and save and chat. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.